Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's learn about how to drill down with the help of set actions. We can drill down in Tableau with the help of set actions as well as parameter actions. But let's see how to drill down with the help of set actions. So now let's see how to drill down from category to subcategory with the help of set actions. So the first step is to create a set from which you want to drill down. Let's create a set. Then let's create a calculated field and name it to subcategory. And let me create a formula where if the category set is true, then I need subcategory, else I don't need anything and I will end it. Okay, now what this formula does is, if you can drill down, we had selected furniture, right? So only furniture subcategory is visible, and if we select uh, office supply, only office supplies subcategory will be visible, and if we select technology, we'll get technology subcategory. Okay, so that is what this formula does. Let me remove the previous subcategory that I'd added to the view and bring the sales. Now you can have it like this, or you can create a bar chart. In order to make this visually more appealing, let's create a set action. Let me remove this first. Okay. Now here I will create change set values. Set 1. Let me name it subcategory. And sheet 4 is a source sheet. And the category set is target set is category set. Running the action will assign the values to the set, and clearing the selection will remove all the values from the set. Okay. Now click on OK. Now what this does is, if I select subcategory, I get only subcategory. Sorry, if I select office supplies, I get only office supplies subcategory, and if I select furniture, I get only furniture subcategory. Let me hide the label over here and bring it to the entire view. And also we can bring the set category set to colors to make it more visually appealing. Uh, See now, if I select furniture, I get furniture subcategory. It's working well and it's also getting highlighted. Let us also sort data source field descending sum of sales. Okay. I will also sort this descending field sum of sales. Okay. Technology, furniture, office supplies. So this is how we drill down in Tableau. Um, so thank you guys. If you like the video, please do like it and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.